student, we started third chapter, inheritance and variation. In that, today we see the multiple alleles. What is multiple allele? That is more than two alternative forms of allele in a gene located on a same locus in a homologous chromosome here. That is called multiple allele. What is multiple allele? More than two alleles are present in a gene. आतापर्यंत आपण एका जीन मध्ये दोन अलील बघितलेले आहेत. दॅट इज द हाइट ऑफ, दॅट इज द कॅपिटल टी अँड स्मॉल टी, और द शीट शेप, that is the capital round and capital R and small r here. That is the flower yellow, that is the Y and Y. But याच्याही पेक्षा दोन अलील पेक्षा जास्त अलील ज्यावेळेस असतात एका जीन मध्ये त्यावेळेस त्याला मल्टिपल अलील्स असं म्हणतात. And same locus means here chromosome and one mother chromosome, one father chromosome, and the location are the same location. एकाच क्रोमोसोमवर आणि ह्या दुसऱ्या क्रोमोसोमवर एकाच ठिकाणी जे अलील असतात. आतापर्यंत आपण टी आणि स्मॉल टी हे पाहिलेलं होतं. that one gene control the two allele, but in the multiple allele one gene control the, or one gene more than two alleles are formed here. We all know what is the location or the locus means here the meaning of the location, locus. Here locus, the locus meaning here the location म्हणजे क्रोमोसोम वर असणारे त्या अलीलचं लोकेशन. आणि सेम क्रोमोसोम और सेम लोकस, that is the same locus म्हणजे दोन क्रोमोसोम वर असणारे एकाच ठिकाणी, ज्या ठिकाणी ह्या क्रोमोसोम वर तो अलील आहे तेच दुसऱ्या क्रोमोसोम मध्ये त्याच ठिकाणी तो अलील असणे. that is the same locus here. And the homologous chromosomes means these chromosomes are, that is the one is mother chromosomes and one is the father chromosome, that is the homologous chromosome and the same allele which is present on the same locus here. Then the multiple allele, that is what is the multiple allele? We give one example here. आणि मल्टिपल अलील हे का अराइज होतात किंवा दोन पेक्षा जास्त अलील हे का तयार होतात किंवा कशामुळे तयार होतात? जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द म्युटेशन. म्युटेशन होऊन जीन मध्ये the gene is mutant again and produce a series of various types of alleles here. Gene mutant एका जीन मध्ये सतत बदल होऊन दोन पेक्षा जास्त प्रकारे वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे अलील्स तयार होतात आणि त्यांची एक शृंखला तयार होते. त्यालाच मल्टिपल अलील्स असं म्हणतात. And how the color of flower here, color of flower, that is the red and white. When two different types of colors are present here, that is the dark pink and light pink. When two another different types of alleles are present here, that is called because of the mutation, and this is the series of the alleles, or this is the series of the alternative forms of alleles here. More than two alleles when formed, then it is called multiple alleles. Then we see one of the example, that is the Drosophila. The Drosophila is also called fruit fly. In multiple allele there is one of the example, that is the Drosophila here. Drosophila is also called the fruit fly. म्हणजे साधी माशी जी असते त्याला ड्रॉसोफिला असं म्हणतात आणि त्याला फ्रूट फ्लाय असं म्हणतात. त्याचं उदाहरण इथं दिलेलं आहे. दॅट मीन्स हियर द फ्रूट फ्लाय show the various types of phenotypic characters here, in that various types of genotypic here. We all know after पहिला आपल्याला फक्त दोनच अलील माहिती होते, कॅपिटल टी किंवा स्मॉल टी असू द्या, कॅपिटल आर किंवा स्मॉल आर असू द्या. But here we see the various types of allele, that is a series of alleles are present here. Then normal beings here that show the genotype is VG plus here. This VG plus is the wild type of genotype or wild type of allele. Wild type. They and the wings are the normal wings. That means here Drosophila is the show the normal wings here, like that. Here Drosophila show the normal wings here, and the mutation here normal wings दाखवलेला आहे. वाइल्ड टाइप हा जीनोटाइप आहे की वाइल्ड टाइप आलेला आहे here, and the normal wings म्हणजे नॉर्मल माशी आहे. म्हणजे म्युटेशन ह्याच्यामध्ये काहीही झालेलं नाही. दॅट इज द इट शो द 0% म्युटेशन. 0% here. Then we see the next example, that is the nicked wings here. The nicked wings is the genotype or the allele, that is the VGNI. Here NI, this NI, that is the VGNI. and म्हणजेच काय तर ड्रॉसोफिलाचे जे पंख आहेत त्या पंखावर थोडंसं चिरल्यासारखं असणं किंवा खाच असल्यासारखं असणं, लाईक दिस. This type of wings is called nicked wing here. This type of mutation is the 25% mutation. 25%. Then the third one is phenotypic character, that is the notched wings here. Notched wings means one patch like. Patch म्हणजे असं थोडंसं एक चपट थोडंसं गोलाकार पंखाचा भाग गळून पडणे किंवा गोलाकार पंखाचा पॅच सारखा भाग हा गळून पडणे, लाईक दिस. Here, like this. This is the notched wings, and the genotype is VGNO. This NO, this NO here, and the mutation is 50%. Then strap wings is also called stripped wings. That means the ribbon-like wings are formed on the Drosophila. That is, Drosophila is looking like here, like this. And this type of mutation is 75% mutation. 75%. And the last one, which is the fifth phenotypic, that is the vestigial wings. Here vestigial wings means also called no wings here. That means Drosophila हे without wing ची असणे or very small wings are present there, like this. Like this also, or very small wings are present here. And this type of mutation is 100% mutation. पूर्णपणे झालेला बदल. That is the 100% mutation here. And this is the one of the example of the multiple allele, that is the Drosophila. And it is also called fruit fly. This is one of the example. This is the phenotypic character, this is the genotypic character, and this is the mutation. What is in the mutation is in the form of percentage. That is 5 series of alternative forms of alleles are present here. That is the VG plus normal wings, VGNI nicked wings, VGNO notched wings, VGST stripped wings or also called strap wings, and VG it show none here, that is the vestigial wings or no wings here. Then we see the another example of multiple alleles, that is the ABO blood group of human being. The next example of the multiple allele is the ABO blood group of human being here. ABO. Here the ABO blood group means the blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB, and blood group O. There are 4 types of blood groups are present in that ABO blood group, and this blood group control the gene I. The gene I, 3 alleles are present here. I, A, कुणी कुणी त्याला I0 लिहितात, IO म्हणतात किंवा स्मॉल I पण लिहितात. That is the 3 types of alleles are present in a gene I. And this gene I, 3 types of allele, and these alleles, in that these 2 alleles are the dominant allele here. Gene I, gene IA, gene IB is the dominant allele, and gene I0 or IO is the recessive allele. We all know here the genotype here and the phenotype, that is the blood group here. The blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB and blood group O here. Here write down the chart of the blood group, that is the genotypic character and the phenotype also here. The genotype of here and the phenotype here, the blood group A, that is the homozygous blood group A, show the IA and IA. It is the homozygous, that is the 2 alleles are same, that is the IA and IA, that is the, it show the blood group A. In that, then the heterozygous blood group A, that is IA and I0 or IO here. This is the heterozygous, that means one allele is IA and one allele is IO. Here IA is the dominant, and because of the dominancy here, the IA, this is the recessive, IA is the dominant. Because of this dominant IA, that blood group is A. And IB, here the blood group is the B. This is the homozygous. Homozygous. Homozygous, that is the IB, same allele, same means homo, that is the blood group B. This is the heterozygous blood group B, that is IB and IO here. IB is the dominant over the recessive, and because of the dominant here, blood group is the B. Then IA, IB, we saw the example, that is the codominance here, that is the IA and IB is the blood group is AB, and it's express its these 2 alleles equally express, and that's why blood group is AB. IA also, this A also express, and this B also express, that's why blood group is B, AB, and the IO and IO, which is the totally recessive, blood group is O here. This is the phenotypic character and this is the genotypic character. Here the genotypic character is the 6th genotypic character, and the phenotype show, that is the blood group A, B, AB and O. One, that is the A, B, AB and O. Here the phenotypic is 4 phenotype, and in that phenotype the genotype is 6 types of genotype. One gene, that is the I, and allele, that is the IA, IB and IO allele. In that जरी एका जीन मध्ये 3 allele असले तरी every diploid organism show only 2 alleles are here. Only 2 alleles. जरी एक जीन 3 allele दाखवत असला, जरी एका जीन मध्ये 3 allele असले, इथं आपण बघितलेला आहे one of the example, that is the human being ABO blood group, that is the IA, IB and I0 here, IO here, that is the 3 alleles, but A blood group असलेल्या पर्सन मध्ये 2च allele आहेत. The 2 alleles are only express themselves. Here blood group A, heterozygous condition, only 2 alleles are present here. Here blood group B, homozygous condition, only 2 alleles are present. Here blood group B, heterozygous condition. Heterozygous condition, that is the only 2 allele. Here we see only 2 alleles are present, and every diploid organism, one gene show only 2 alleles here. This is one of the example of the multiple allele human being. Then we see some questions upon the ABO blood group. Here example on the ABO blood group. Here question is, if father and mother heterozygous heterozygous A and B and the baby will be. म्हणजे फादर आणि मदर जर हेटेरोझायगस A and B असतील तर बेबी कशा प्रकारची प्रोजेनी शो करते. हियर वी राइट डाउन हियर फर्स्ट फादर. When fertilize, that is the and cross mother here, respectively father, that is the A and B. We all know here the condition is the heterozygous condition. Heterozygous condition. And the genotype of blood group A is here in heterozygous, that is IA and I0. And the B, that is the heterozygous IB and IO here. We all know the gamete formation. These alleles are separated. IA, IO, IB, IO. Here the F1 generation is when these fused IA, that is IB, we write down here Punnett square. IB, IO. When heterozygous father A is fertilized with or crossed with mother B, that is mother also heterozygous. If father and mother is heterozygous A and B and the baby will be, that is when the gamete formation here, the father gametes are IA and I0 or IO, mother gamete IB or IO here. Then when these are fused with each other, IA, IB, IB, IO, IA, IO and IO, IO. Here IA, IB is indicate the baby, that is the blood group is AB blood group. AB. Then the second one is IB, IO. It indicate and it is one, that is the IA, IB is one. IB, IB, IO one and IA, IO one as to I0 or IO, IO. That is the one here. The total progeny is the 25% here. AB indicate 25%. Blood group B indicate 25%. Blood group A indicate 25%. And blood group O indicate 25% here. Here the 25% the baby will be produced. That is if when father and mother is heterozygous A and B respectively, and the baby will be 25%, 25% AB blood group, 25% that is the B, 25A and 25O. Then if the next example is, here the second example is if father and mother homozygous A and B and the baby will be, here we all know now here the homozygous A, father A, that is the homozygous, that is the IA cross with mother, that is the homozygous B, that is the IB. We see here on checkerboard or the Punnett square, IA, IB. When these IB fused with this IA, that is IAIB. This is also IAIB. This is also IAIB. This is also IAIB. Here 100% progeny will be AB blood group. This is the question, some questions which is on the ABO blood group. I hope you all understand what is multiple allele, and we giving here the two examples, that is the Drosophila, that is the fruit fly. Various types of multiple alleles are present in that, and the series of multiples are present in that one gene, and here ABO blood group also. I hope you all understand. If you want to write this, you pause the video and then write.